Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be showing you how to clean your raceline cold air intake today. The first thing you want to do is take a flat blade screwdriver, take this hose clamp off, slide the hose back, alright. After that, kind of hard to see, you're going to want to take your secondary air clip off, and for that you should be able to squeeze down and pull back. Just like that. Next we're going to take a T25 and take the two front screws out, this one and this one. And now we should be able to remove the air box. For that, you just pop it up and watch this radiator hose. Be very careful with that. Just pop it up and kind of slide it out this way. Also, one thing as well is this little vacuum line back here. I also got to get off. If you have a pick, it would be easier just to get the pick underneath that and kind of work it out. But I just used a flat blade screwdriver and kind of pulled on it a little bit and it came right off. So you just pop it up like that. Turn it and slide it out. Now using a T20 bit, you want to take out, there's one screw right there in the top, one right there, another there, there, and there. And these two on the front, you don't really have to worry about them. You're just trying to get the filter out. Oops. And just like that, you have your air filter out. This one is pretty dirty. Been about 6,000 miles. So this is the products I use. Everything is from Raceline. I'll drop the item numbers if I can find them, the part numbers if I can find them, for Raceline in the description. But you want to spray the cleaner very good all over the filter, and then massage it in with warm water. You want to just spray it from the inside out, and after it's very clean, you got all old oil out, you want to let it sit in the sun, make sure it's completely dry, and then you'll add the air filter oil, and for that you would just same thing, massage it in, spray it, massage it in. Don't use too much, but also you don't want to use too little, so just a good even amount all the way across the filter. kind of work it in. Probably should wear gloves, just probably a good idea because your hands will get really oily like that. It's up to you. After it's clean, it should look like something like this. You don't see any more of the dust, dirt, grime. And what you'll do now is don't air spray this with an air compressor or with a heat gun or anything. What you want to do is just kind of like throw it at the ground a little bit to get a lot of that water out, and then just let it sit in the sun on a warm day. If it's not warm, I would suggest waiting at least 24 hours before you oil it and make sure this is dry, because you do not want to put oil on this if it's still wet. So we'll just let it sit out in the sun and we'll get back to it when it's all dry. I got it all oiled up, basically sprayed it on there all the way around, massaged it in. I did wear some gloves this time just to keep the oil off my hands. But yeah, it looks pretty good. And now we're just gonna put it back in the car. And it slides right into that channel right there. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's a little channel. Slides down in. Then the top piece slides right on the top of it. And you just tighten those bolts down. There's one right there. One right there. There. There and there. And tighten it up. Don't over tighten it. It is plastic, so we'll go ahead and tighten it down and put it back in the car. Don't forget your rag. And again, be careful of this radiator hose. So that will snap. Alright, reconnect your vacuum line to the intake. Reconnect your secondary air. Just push it on and you can hear it click. Connect your hose here. Always make sure that you can get your wrench or flathead screwdriver on this clamp. Makes your life easier in the long run. Last step is to put your screws back in up here, the two that you took out. And that's it. You've cleaned your raceline cold air intake. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.